What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name's John and this is No Name Garage. For my first video, I'm going to catch you guys up on where I'm at with my 2012 GTI. I'm in the process of rebuilding a motor for it, the second motor for it. I'll kind of give you guys a rundown of how all that came about, and then I'll show you guys some time lapses of the work we've done, some stuff I filmed already, and then I'll kind of give you a perspective of where we're at with it and what we have left to do. Should be a good time. Stay tuned. I bought this car knowing it had timing issues. I still went ahead and tried to fix and sort them out with no luck. After that, I ended up getting a second motor from eBay with the knowledge that the motor was in working condition. I took the time to swap it out and to find out that that motor also had jump time so badly that the intake valves and the exhaust valves were actually hitting each other as they were going up and down. So after strong consideration and, fighting to get my money back, I decided that I was going to rebuild not the first engine but the second engine, just because of the amount of mileage on it. And I'm going to give you guys some time lapses of what we have done so far. This is pretty much after we've broken down the engine completely and we just have the block, and I'll show you where we're at with it. Right now you see Joe cleaning out the head because 2.0s are direct injection. There tends to be a lot of carbon buildup. We don't have a media blaster, so this is the easiest way to really clean that up really good. Now we're going to cut to me cleaning up the gasketing off the top of the block. After a good clean, me and Joe start putting in the valve seals. I only use integrated engineering valve seals because of prior incidents with other brands on 1.8s. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap it up here. In the next video we'll be doing piston rings, getting the pistons into the block and trying to wrap up the bottom of the block. And then from there we'll work on getting the head on and timing, and then getting the engine back in. Future videos we will probably do more vlog-like videos where it's not so much time lapses and voiceovers, where I'm actually like taking breaks and explaining what we're doing, where we're at, and stuff like that. I'm still trying to get a feel for the whole YouTube thing, so give me a little bit of time. If you liked the video, hit a like, comment below, and if you want to see more, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.